Good morning, investors. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Alright, let's get right into it. Today, we're talking about recent updates with capital town Pampanga. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. We have recently opened an access road and a brand new project located in one of the most exclusive part of capital town. Sit back, relax, and watch until the end of the video, and I'll tour you around Megaworld's integrated urban township in the north, capital town Pampanga. San Fernando Boulevard. This is a 30-meter wide main road equivalent to 6 lanes with a separate bike lane. This serves as a main road that connects 𝗕𝗏𝗀𝗀𝗪𝗏 Avenue and Capitol Boulevard. And here are the updated projects and developments inside capital town Pampanga. Adding to the list is the San Marcel Residences. Found at the heart of the development, the Rainwater Park is a central feature of capital town. As a central feature of the site, it also has recreational amenities such as jogging paths, bike racks, and children's play areas. The park is designed to be a catchment basin for stormwater and an open, usable space during dry season. Don't miss the opportunity to invest early in Megaworld's first integrated urban township in the north, capital town Pampanga. Feel free to message me anytime for showroom visits, priority online presentations and inquiries. My lines are open for local and international clients. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. See you guys in the next video.